Are you currently looking at the currency markets? Are you a current trader? Are you a novice trader? I don't care which level of trader you are, I want you to please understand in the next few minutes, I want to show you what the premium analysis service can do for you. The Premium Analysis Service is a 24-hour analysis site which I run, and I will do all of the analysis for you. Now with time, I have learned that all of the traders are not on the same level, and this is where I will teach you how to analyze the market, show you trade setups, and show you exactly when to get into the market and where to get out of the market. Not many traders have the skill or the time to do the analysis, and that is where I will come in. So I use this site to share my analysis, what I've learned for the last 20 years, to share with my clients, and you can just basically see what I am seeing, and I teach you on an ongoing basis what I see, how I reason what is going to happen most probably, and I take those trades according to those directions. So what will you get from this service? You will get weekly outlook videos on all of the FX pairs, commodities, indices, and the SA stock market. I will give you daily setup videos to explain the setup to you, the charts that I'm seeing applicable for that day, and the trades that we might take for that specific day. Educational material, there are a lot of videos, tips and lessons that you can go through on the site in your own time. Notifications on Telegram will be sent immediately, and you have now time to register for a free 1-week trial. There is no one single strategy or method that will work for the rest of your life. The market changes, the market evolves, policies changes, so the market evolves. Every 6 months the market changes, and you have to know how to read a chart, where the trade setups are. There is simply no other way. This is actually the truth. Traders come to me, they say they have their strategy, that is one they're going to apply, and they don't want to learn how to read a chart. Now this is simply explaining to you that I'm coming to you and I say, this is a brand new phone, buy this phone, is the best phone on the market, and you say, no, I've got my Nokia 3210. It is simply not working. Things change. I guess the best way to explain this to you is to show you examples of trades and setups and charts that I've shared with my clients. Let's look at the chart. See how simply this is to read. Green lines are for entry levels, and red dotted lines is where the areas there I will put my stop losses. And the colored boxes are where I will see the market most probably will turn, or I will use it for take profit areas. So it's very simple. Green lines are entry levels, red dotted lines are for stop losses, and the boxes are potential turning areas and take profit areas. Here are a few examples of trades that worked out. And others that did not work out. Please remember that we only take a 2% risk per trade on our account, so you cannot lose more than 2% on one specific trade. This is very important. Money management is one of the most important things in this business. Let's quickly go through the site, see how easy it is. Here under General you will find videos, tips and lessons each and every day. And here on the left hand side you just basically click on Drive, you go on my name, and here you will find files with trade setups, the charts that we're looking at for this day. You will look at a trade summary, and you just can basically log in 24 hours a day, and these are accessible to you. And that is it. Thank you guys. Thanks for joining. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching the video. Please register at the bottom and I will send you the trade of the week each and every week. Just register at the bottom, send me your email address, and please remember on Tuesday nights at 7 o'clock I will conduct a live webinar session where I will do the analysis and look at the markets for you. I will also share one setup with you which I share with my clients each and every day. So register at the bottom. I will send you the trade of the week. I hope to see you 7 o'clock Tuesday night. I'll see you there. Goodbye.